Why do Japanese cars make that weird beep sound? Like back in the 70s, Japan made a rule so people wouldn't drive too fast, and so car makers added a tiny beeper that goes off when you hit around 65 miles an hour. This feature wasn't added just for fun because it was made to remind drivers to slow down and be safe. The sound isn't even that loud, but it's really annoying and it goes off over and over again while you drive, and that's why a lot of people turned it off, but some cars still have it today, especially old JDM ones like the Skyline and RX-7. And if you ever import a Japanese car and you start hearing that little sound, don't worry because nothing's broken, it just means you're going too fast.